First of all, I thank Almighty God for giving us this opportunity, and also we thank our President and Kenya Kwanza for making sure that we have our lady Falhado to be elected as an Yala Member of Parliament. We are proud of you. We stand with you. Count on us, both leaders and brothers. And we say thank you, the Kenya Kwanza fraternity. We made sure, even if there are some issues, we made sure that we stand with her and we delivered. Everything is God what God plans, and we say thank you very much. Kwa hii nafasi pia nataka kushukuru our super CS. Kukuja kwako hapo sisi tunaona ni faida mingi sana, na watu wa Ijara tunasema asante sana. Na wewe mimi nakujua wewe ni mtu wa bahati. Na kwa vile umeanza hapa, najua mambo mengi zitakuja hapa Ijara constituency. Kwa sababu wewe ni mtu roho safi, ni mtu ambaye umejipanga na umeonyesha ya kwamba wewe unaweza simama imara. Pia mbele ya umati wa Ijara nilikuwa nimekuandikia karatasi na umejibu, asante sana. Nilikuwa nimekuomba utufungulie Huduma Center. Huduma Center, I was the first applicant on entire 290 constituency. Nimepeleka ofisi yake because nimeona shida ya hapa ID, shida ya kutafuta hizi registration, na hata nikasema I will support that program. So nakuomba kama unaweza tu support hiyo program, ndio at least tufungue Huduma Center hapa Masalani. We are far from Hola, we are far from Garissa, we are far from Lamu. So most of our people, they go all the way. Wanatumia pesa mingi kutafuta hizo huduma services. So please nakuomba kama unaweza tusaidia, hiyo itakuwa maendeleo kwetu. Pia nataka niseme ya kwamba nafurahia sana kwa sababu wakati nilikuwa na sign agreement na Kenya Kwanza, I have consulted widely and the witnesses. We have our senator here, wakili, labda ame step out, and we put some agreement here and there. So leo nimefurahi kwa sababu wewe mwenyewe ukasema ya kwamba wewe na Murkomen ndio mlikuwa mmesign na Kindiki, waziri Kindiki. So tunaomba hiyo kitu pia as a team we deliver it, so that we deliver for our people. The other challenges, we have a lot of challenges here, but we will take it to the ministerial levels. The other challenge I have, waziri, is hapa hakuna wanafanya kazi. We don't have what you call national, we have few employees. If it is Ministry of Labor, Social Service, we have only one person. And Ijara has 3 sub-counties. It has Bodai, it has Hulugo, it has Ijara. We have one officer who serves the entire 3 sub-counties. So nilikuwa nakuomba through your office, if you can help us, even give us clerks, give us more officers, so that at least we can bring the service closer to our people. That is the request I have. Kwa senator, majority senator, since ulimpatia our sister two teachers, and recently I launched what's called free secondary school in Ijara constituency through CDF. No parent will pay secondary school fees in Ijara. That is an initiative most people are welcome. I will fight for it. I will make sure I will deliver with the help of God and also with your blessings. So because of that, nilikuwa naomba kama senator yako atuongezee hata kama ni 2 kwa heshima ya member of parliament, because I'm the host. Please, I want to request that hata mimi nitakuletea 2 ndio pia ikuwe ile for our people. Sasa kuna shetani imeingia hapa leo, na mimi ndio ni vizuri niseme ukweli. First naomba Mheshimiwa Hassan, ukikuja kwetu kama hiyo kabila yetu, washemeji haongeangi hiyo maneno. Kwa sababu hiyo kitu umeleta hapa inaweza fanya hata tukosane sisi wote. Naomba hiyo kitu at least we withdraw that statement. We are one family. Sisi Garissa County, we are one family regardless of any political differences. Kama kuna kitu iko huko, labda ile kichongumu ya Wasomali. We work as a team, we consult our governor, our CS, and Duale. If there's issues, let us solve. We are gentlemen. That's what I believe. It's all dialogue. We belong to one family called Kenya Kwanza. And if there's any problem, we can solve it. That's what I believe. So, Mheshimiwa, nakuomba pia hiyo, it's not there. I can confirm to you. It's not there. And if it is there, I don't know. It has never been into the public domain. The other thing I want to talk ni mambo ya Garissa County leadership. Afsomali and kahadle. Please allow me to talk in Somali. Afsomali and kahadle annaga samawada hadana waa kii aan fadhiisanay Somo kii aan wala hadalnay Somo waxaan ku go'aansanay Somo waxaan ku go'aansanay hatta hadii wax jiro ha aaminsanahay in wax kasta loo xalin karo odayaasha talada la badin karo waa og yahay baahi badan baa jirta waa og yahay dad baa shaqada laga fuuteeyay waxa soo dhan wax aaminsanahay in la xalin karo gaaris ogaadeen baa iskale gaaris kalmuga iskale ogaadeen baa iskale dad kala iskale wixii nagu dhace 5 years aan soo dhaafle oo our former governor uu shaqeyn waayay in haddana dawladda aan dagaal ku bilaawno diyaar mu nahan anaga ijaara haddaan ijaara afkira ijaara haddaan ku hadlayo aniga waxaan aaminsanahay in wax la xallin karo talada la barin karo hadduu qof wax uu gafay odayaal baa jiraan mechanism baa jiraan leadership baa jiraan waan xallin karnaa intaasaan rabaa inaan u sheego ijaara inaan u sheego hadduu wax jiro ani waxaan difaacaya ma jiraan gabadha ma difaacaya laakiin dawladda anaga soo dhisanay dawladda anaga ma ka cararayna dawladda waan la xisaabtamayna qofka gabanaga xaqan ku leena anaga muxuu ka helay kuwa meesha muxuu ka helay 13 kun ka helay hadda saacadan la joogana waa shaqo awra ku jirna anaga siyaasad waa soo dhamaatay siyaasad diyaar u nahno 5 sano ayaa haasana ila xisaabtam aniga waxaan suubiyay aniga MBA hadduu gabadha uu suubiyay ila xisaabtam taasaan rabaa inaan dadweynaha u sheego saa ogtihiin free secondary school baa jira application hala apply gareyso bursary hala apply gareeyo ma fahamtay bursary hala apply gareeyo oo si daacada loo bixin doonaa maxaa loo bixin doonaa iskuulaha loo bixin doonaa maxaa loo bixin doonaa geedaha hoostiisa loo bixin doonaa soo reejaara weligiinbo hadda nafaas soo hesheen sheego shaqada hadda la bilaabay Soomaalida sheego shaqada la bilaabay soo maxaan rabaa inaan wada shaqeyno aniga waxyaalaha aan ku hadlay maxaa waay samawada inaan mideyno ayaan ku hadlay waana taaganahay 5 sano aan ka shaqeynayo waa inaan samawada aan mideeyo soo maxaan iga codsani inaa ii duceysiin okay sawa maxaan ka codsani shukran maxaan ka codsani reejaara ii soo duceeya talada badiya walaal aan noqono qabiilkan iska dhaafno dawladda anaga iskale somo MBga dawladda aan raaci soo doortay iyo kii soo dooran gacanta midigtan uu haya haddii gabadha uu yahay dhibaatada asagana waa la xisaabtamayna because waa soo dooranay somo laakiin inaan dagaal bilaawno ani diyaar buu yahay aniga taasaan rabaa inaan ii sheego waa mahadsantihiin